to solve a problem to count a number of characters from a string. The approach we are following for to solve this problem would be based on a method, and we'll try to pass the parameter within it. And while we are calling this method, we'll try to pass the value. Okay, so obviously the time complexity of that method would be big of 1, or we can say constant. Okay, so here we can consider that complexity of the method would be big O of 1, or it would be like constant, because we are going to apply a method called length from the string class. All right, so let's try to solve this issue, okay, and try to find out the solution. So here we are going to navigate to our Eclipse window, and as we already created project in Eclipse called 2025 day 1 we have resolved. Let's try to implement this part in day 2. So I'm simply creating a class, okay, and giving the name here as day 2. We are going to add here main method, and already we have understood the approach, time complexity, and inputs. So we directly write our code here and try to check out whether we are getting the expected result in the console window or not. So let me create a user defined method here. Count characters. I'm just giving the name of a method which is quite related to it, and here I'll pass the string as a parameter. We'll just simply try to give a string variable name as value, and now we are trying to utilize a method called length, so we can easily count number of characters added in the particular string. So I can write here value dot length, right? It returns integer, so we need to remove, or we need to replace void to integer, and I need to give here return keyword, right? So now our method is ready for execution. So let me try to call this method in the main method. As I have created user defined method with static keyword, so we need not to create the object of a class. We can directly call this method, okay, and I try to pass the value in it as what actually they have given in the problem statement. They have given here John, so let's try to give here John, and we'll try to add this process into system.println. I try to add like this is out, and just call this method. Let me save, and let's run and check how the way it is giving the response in console. You can see here we have received 4, and we have successfully got the result in console, and here the complexity is working out. If you want to get further problem statement which is being asked in an interview, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and try to find out more solution for it. Thank you team, and have a great day.